In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate text in Nitro PDF. Now, this might be a bit tricky, but still it's very possible. So let me show you. The first thing you have to do, of course, is select the text you want to rotate. So I'm going to go to the Edit tab, top left over here, and then I'm going to click on this text, okay? Now, when you do that, notice how whenever you basically hover over it with your Edit button, it's basically like a blue rectangle. Now, try and click on this blue rectangle whenever it appears. It may be a bit tricky, so just click on it like that. And when you click on the rectangle and have it selected as blue, you can see there's now like this round arrow button, and this is going to allow you to rotate your text. So you can go ahead and just basically click on it and then drag it either to the right or to the left, and that way you can easily rotate your text that way, okay? Now, sometimes this is not going to work, and for me it didn't as well. So what I did is basically tried restarting my program, so Nitro PDF, but if that didn't work, I actually restarted the computer again, okay? So just restarted the computer, and then I was able to actually rotate, because previously this arrow would show just for like a split second and then it wouldn't be there anymore. So again, the easiest way, basically just hover over text and then try clicking on this blue line, and then you'll be able to rotate it that way pretty easily. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.